Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change language in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on, scroll down and you will find system. Just click on system and here select languages and input. Click on languages and input here. Now click on language. Click on languages and click on add a language. Here you will find list of languages. Just you can select any desired language. Here I would like to select Tamil. Here. Just I click on Tamil and it will be added here. If you would like to add more language, again click on add a language and select any other language of a choice. Here I would like to select another one, this language. If you want to activate the language that you selected, just you go to move it to the top one position. For example, if you want to activate Tamil, you go to move it to the first position. Instead of English, there should be Tamil. So, long press here and move like this. And yes, you will see the change of language here itself. You can also check from the home page. Go to the settings and you will see the change of language. Languages is in Tamil now. Now select again settings and system. Go to settings, then system. Here select Moligal and Ullid. That means languages and input. In Tamil it is Moligal and Ullid. And Moligal, that is languages. And if you want to activate another language, just long press here and move it to the top one and it will be activated. If you want to set back to English, you should set English to the top one position. Yes, it is activated now. If you want to remove the languages that you added in the list, just click on these three dots and click on remove and select the language to be removed, language or languages. I select two languages that I added and click on delete button here. Click on delete button. And it will ask remove selected languages. Then you go to click on remove again here. And yes, those languages are removed. Only default languages that is English is available now. So in this way you can easily customize language for your phone Vivo V21e. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.